guys! Kain tayo. Yan guys. Ang merienda natin ngayon is variety muffin. Yan guys, variety muffin. Yan na yung variety na muffin natin. So yummy. Strawberry, white chocolate. Yan guys. Raspberry. Yan. Yan guys, kain tayo. Honey, what you want here?